How to download Facebook videos in Android. First of all, go to Facebook. Now copy the link of video. After that, go to Chrome or any browser in Android. Now search for FB video downloader. Here you can simply click on first website or any website you want, but I will click on first website. Now paste that link. Now click on download. Here you will see your video in two qualities, like download video in normal quality, download video in HD quality. So simply I will click on download video in HD quality. After that, you will simply close that 8. And here we go, our download will be started. That's how you can download your video in Android. Thanks for watching.